Hey fam, welcome back to another hair growth video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make clove oil for massive hair growth. If you're interested, you might just want to grab a seat and let's get started. The first ingredient you are going to be needing for this oil is cloves. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used to protect the scalp from dandruff, which is the major cause of thinning and weak hair. With the presence of vitamin K in cloves, there is better blood circulation, which stimulates hair to grow. It prevents hair graying due to its antioxidant property. The next thing we want to do is to grind our cloves into smaller particles so that the nutrients from the cloves can penetrate the oil we are going to be using for this hair growth oil. So this is how my cloves look like after pounding it. So on to the next, I'll be transferring these grounded cloves into a glass jar. I'll be using a glass jar because I'll be doing a double boiler method for this oil. My cloves are in smaller particles now, so it makes it easy for the nutrients from the cloves to transfer into my oil. The next ingredient you are going to be needing for this oil is the olive oil. I'm using olive oil because it adds softness and strengthens the hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. Moisture is so important to the hair. Olive oil also encourages hair growth and health, and it also reduces hair loss. So I'm going to be putting some olive oil into these cloves and I'll make sure it covers the cloves. Olive oil also contains antifungal properties and moisturizer that stimulates hair production. So like I said earlier, we are going to be using the double boiler method to extract the nutrients from the cloves into the oil. You don't have to do the double boiler method. You can actually leave these cloves in this oil for about 10 days, and for about 10 days, the nutrients should be able to transfer from your cloves into your oil. After this double boiling method for about 10 minutes, I'm going to take it out of the burner and I'm going to leave the oil for about 10 minutes to cool down before transferring it into a bowl or into my plastic bottle. If you made it this far to this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and share. Do not forget to leave your comment. I am ready to reply anytime. After the oil must have cooled down, I'm going to be transferring it into a bowl. So I'm going to be transferring it into this bowl and I'm going to be leaving the jar on top of the bowl for some minutes so that all the oils can, transfer into my bowl. So I can transfer it from that bowl into my plastic bottle. So this is how the oil looks like. I don't mind the particles in it because they will actually help to, strengthen the oil better. So I don't mind the particles in it. So this oil feels silky even on my skin. So you can use this oil not only for massive hair growth, but you can also use it on your skin, for Harmattan season, or if you have a very dry skin, you can actually use this oil. Another thing this oil can do is toothache. So if you have toothache, you can just take a cotton swab or a cotton cloth, something like that, put the oil on it and massage it on the tooth that is aching you. That should be able to help you relieve the pain you have on your tooth. So I'm going to be transferring my oil back into the cloves in that jar because I want it to infuse more and for my oil to be stronger. So I'm going to leave it like this for like 10 days. The double boiler method already works, but I want it to work better. I'm going to be using this like twice every week. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and I'm going to see you on my next one.